Home Show.
Tushar from Sienna Plantation has a question about Western insulation.
Yeah, he's looking to insulate this side of his attic. He says it faces west, and he's wondering if this is the way to go. Tushar writes, should I insulate this area that faces the western sun? We use this for storage space, and it is next to a bedroom that he says Aries, I think it means rises significantly in temperature versus the rest of the house. Hey, I just copy and paste them. I don't write them. Anyway, so
that's fine. Yeah, we all make mistakes.
Yeah, but he says, this space is above our garage. So what do you think, Tom? What about this wall? Would it make any difference for him to do that insulation?
No, don't do the insulation. It's going to get really hot and just hold the heat. But this wall has a great potential for something else. Of course, you'll have to move back some of your stuff you have stored up there. I'm not going to go down that road, but you got to move it out of the way.
No, he's not going to he's not going to go down that road. But what he's going to do is he's going to pull up to it, look down it, and then keep going. Okay,
That's
go
it.
ahead. I apologize for interrupting. Go ahead.
Radiant barrier paint. Get up there and paint that whole thing with it's so easy, and it will make a big difference. That's a perfect example of a non-traditional use of a radiant barrier. I did the west sides of my garage inside like that and painted it all, and it made a big difference. So that's what he needs to do. That simple, that clean cut radiant barrier paint, and you got it made.
Well, he's halfway there already because I see that he's got the radiant barrier decking. If you look close there in the
that's right,
on the side.
And that's what I say. They just
already there.
Western side, anywhere the sun hits the skin, and those western gables, perfect place for them. We used to do them all the time. You can even get the foil and staple it up because you're standing on apparently whatever you're storing your stuff on, and then you can just go ahead and staple it right up. So either way, it's an easy application, and it's done quickly, and the result is going to be fantastic.
In case you couldn't tell, ladies and gentlemen, Tom Tynan's not in favor of storing things in the attic. Just in case you didn't get
it. It is not a basement. It is not a place for junk. Yes.
And I will tell you, I have adopted his practice. We don't put anything in our attic anymore. Because the last time he was at our house, we were afraid he was going to go up and check. You got a question? Visit HomeShowRadio.com. Right there. Click on that Ask Tom button. That's how you get your question to us. You can fill out that form. You can send us a video. Either way, pictures help, just like we help with Tushar there. We can help you. Send them to us and we post a new one because Tom takes time to answer a question every day and we post it at HomeShowRadio.com, our YouTube channel, of course, on our Facebook page.